Yo, yo, yo! What's up, man? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jorodix TV. Yes, here we go again, guys. For today's video, I'm so excited again to react another Manipur song. And it was requested by our viewers, Serto Kemring Hoy. And he wants me to react this Manipur song with the title of Nungshirure. Alright, so I don't know what's the meaning of Nungshirure, but the artist here, guys, or the singer here is Maisnam and Sushmita. Alright, so it was uploaded by Mami Taibang. Thank you so much, Mami Taibang, for always there to allowing me to react this video. Alright, guys, so before we start, guys, just to remind you, for those new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit that bell for more latest update on my channel. So without further ado, guys, let's get now into the video. Mami Taibang. Malem MA Production in association with Friends Films. Nungshirure! Wow, guys, I love it. I'm so tired to dance with your music. Alright, guys, you always sing but you don't dance. Just a little bit only. But for me, guys, I'm dance until the end of this music. But that was the meaning. That was, I'm so enjoying this Manipur music. Alright, so a perfect choreography, a perfect videography. Alright, the artist there, very handsome, very beautiful. Wow, that's a good things there, guys. That's a very nice, very perfect video. So guys, I hope you enjoy again on this reaction of video. If you like this video, guys, just give a lot of thumbs up, guys, and don't forget to like and share to your families and friends. So before we go, guys, for those new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell button for more latest update. Alright, so until the next reaction of video, guys, I hope I see you there, and I love you. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye.